你好活泼哦。
很不习惯这样跟我吧。
嗨，我是台湾的 Andrea，
我是美国的 Christine， 我们又回来了。
So we are going to react to J-Hope's
Airplane，
我就知道他一定会有第二首，
一定会有。可是我以为会是韩sang
Hang Sang or the other one. What's that?
可是 baseline is too short. Baseline is only like 1.5 minutes, so I feel like Han Sang is more like a full length song.
Yes, but I hope it's Hang Sang or Baseline because it's more intense and powerful.
No, it's okay. Let's wait for like a third one.
No,
Maybe there will be.
I hope, but yeah, okay. So, shall we start this? But
Okay, start this reaction.
我的那个好像没有跑到很后面呢，我很怕。
我跑到大中间。
我很怕他如果中间给我旋转的话，我真的当下得哭出来。
会崩溃。
对啊，不可以吧？因为现在。
Okay, so let's talk about more. We were actually filming the reaction for Run BTS when my phone said that the Airplane music video was released. And then I was like, wait, no, we have to do this later, like right now.
Yes.
And then so here we are.
And we couldn't focus on the Run BTS.
Yeah, not at all, because we were so excited that the new music video is coming out. Do you want to start? Okay.
他真的没有跑，应该等一下点下去就好。
应该等一下就会好了。So same 就1、2、3的3。
Oh my god！
3这样子吗？
要3这样子吗？是。
好，1、2。
等一下。好，等一下哦。你喊哦，你喊。
好，我喊哦。好，准备好了吗？好，1、2、3。
Pretty。
在哪里啊 ？Dude, it's so pretty. Whoa.
Ooh, that hair.
那个是 Not Today MV 的那个地方吗
I don't know, but that hair looks like mic drop.
Oh yeah, it does.
Ooh.
我觉得是那个 Not Today 的那个停车场
Perhaps, maybe.
I feel like they're trying to connect to a lot of their past MVs with like his
Yeah,
stuff.
they do.
Ooh,
it's cold.
后照镜。
Looking slay.
Yeah. Oh, Airplane. Are they gonna have their members in this music video?
I'm not sure, but I don't think so.
Oh, but in the end, the Airplane was like the members yelling.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it's so pretty. He's so pretty. 这很像《花样年华》的时代的那个刚刚那个 visual。
That angle though.
Oh yeah.
This 这个在那个 Daydream 没有出现这个吧？
对啊，他是 MV 一起拍的吗？ kind of disappointed that the members wasn't in the music video though. Because I really thought that they would have someone in it.
Well, but I think that members.
Okay, so now we're having a problem. She just disappeared.
So. Hello?
Connect.
Oh shit! 我把电脑关了。我用电脑跟刘
So
文
it's just
讲
me
话
right now. Hi. Why? Why? Why?
超智
Hello.
障。
Hello.
哦，我好智障哦。
Hello. Why?
我刚看完很顺的就把电脑关掉。
Nice.
超智障。Okay, so where were we?
Now I just say that I was just kind of disappointed because
Yeah.
I expected to see the members in the video.
But I don't think the members would appear in their solo mixtapes. So.
That's, yeah. None of the appeared in the other ones, but
Yeah.
yeah. I feel like the visuals were like, I like it. It's kind of like.
It's also a feel-good kind of song.
Yeah, it's a feel-good kind of song, and they like have a lot of visuals from past music videos. I feel like, so like from the Run era and like Not Today.
But this one is more like not so idol, not so
yeah.
big hit. That kind of like I would relate this one to like maybe J Park or some other solo artist.
It's more feel good kind of music video, whereas like theirs before was like really idol.
So I really like his mixtape.
Yeah, me too. I really like this mixtape.
His songs are really good.
And it's very just him and his world. So that's why it's called Oprah.
Yeah. 还有什么可以再讲吗？哦，就是有人觉得 Daydream 有很多画面跟那个感觉是跟那个 Serendipity 很像
啊，对，跟 Serendipity 蛮像。就他们，我觉得他们一直有在呼应，就是之前自己的一些 work。
Big Hit really likes to do this kind of things.
Yeah, but Big Hit loves to like all the conspiracies and all the army are just like, wait, is this like related to that and everything?
But I think like we all kind of enjoy this a lot.
Yeah, we kind of enjoyed this.
So
we were a lot more calm this music video because we already heard like
this
all of the
song,
mixtape. Yeah, so like we know the song, we just like it was, but I really like the visuals. It's more peaceful.
Yeah.
Whereas like Daydream was very colorful and exciting, and this one's just like it's just like more 沉稳.
More 沉稳. More
speaking Chinglish.
more how to say that? More.
I will look it up on Google Translate later. Yeah, anyways, should we wrap up?
I mean,
or are you still thinking 沉稳?
Well, I think we can chat a little because we don't have to sub this too much.
Yeah, we don't have to sub this too much.
Yeah. I think we can just upload this and
sub it later.
And anybody can just
know what we're saying. But yeah, I really
大家可以
like
就是看到就是 reaction 结束就可以跳掉了，后面就是我们的闲聊时间，就是我自己跟阿玉的闲聊时间呐。
你现在在这里的10分钟末端在那边跟大家讲说我们闲聊时间，轩好想你哦。
对，就开始是我们克里斯，你最近过得好吗？这样吗？
那这还行。
No, but we still gotta say something related to BTS. Yeah. So. Yeah. So.
I'm really.
What?
Yeah.
What?
I'm really hoping that there will be another one. No, fingers crossed. Big hit, please. Please have another one, please.
Well, I don't think so.
Hopefully, Hansang.
Yeah. 拜托。因为 RM 的像在 Joke 跟 Do You 就2首，然后 August D 跟 Give It To Me 也是2首，所以我不觉得。
哦 ，Yes， 可是我觉得 Hansang 有点难，是因为 Hansang 又会就是 Hansang 是 feature Supreme Boy， 可是 baseline 就是 baseline 又有点短，好难哦。
How about both?
Yeah, how about both? Big hit, please, both.
Well, it's not that difficult. Or like, we can accept like studio version. We'll take that. We'll take anything.
We'll take anything that you give us, Big hit.
Yeah.
Give it to me.
Give it to me.
Give it to me. That's it for our reaction.
What? Back to the reaction?
Yeah, I'm out of reactions right now. I feel like I'm more calm because I already heard the song, so I know what to expect. I really liked his hair. I like how they filmed it with a car. I like the reflection from the car.
And
I like the guy.
I mean, I like this guy.
Oh yeah, you like this guy.
Yeah, but I do like the guy. So like yeah. Hopefully Hobie sees this.
Hobie 사랑해 again.
Hobie 사랑해. Hobie 화이팅.
화이팅. Please have another music video for us. We're gonna keep reacting if you have more. So Hobie, if you wanna see us, if you see this and you wanna see us,
well,
please.
I don't
just
like. He doesn't care.
He doesn't care, I know.
Well, 我最希望的是就是 rapper line 可以就是有他们的一些 rapper line 的东西。
我希望
rapper lines is there something like rapper lines mixtape or rapper lines not just Cypher 5 or Cypher 6
就是 rapper line 的一个合集这样子 like a couplet.
Yes.
But I really want Cypher 5 to have Taehyung. 私心希望
yes,
他可以在后面尖叫就好了。He really likes rapping, so I hope that they'll give him a chance.
He really admires his Hyungs, but
yeah, his Hyungs.
But
he is his Hyungs.
But no, you gotta be fair. If you add Taehyung, you gotta take all the members in.
That's true.
Yeah.
And I miss rapper Cook.
Yeah. It'll Jungkook.
Jungkook.
Scale is like Jungkook. Scale is like 全国之类的。
全国 yeah. Wow. I feel like this reaction is running kind of long though.
40 minutes, but we really don't have to sub this. I feel like.
But I feel like people are gonna be bored. Are you guys bored?
Okay.
There's people still
let's
watching
wrap this up.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. Thank you guys for watching our reaction video. We are Andrea and Christine. Hope you've subscribed and like our video.
Wow.
And follow our Instagram if you like us. Right here.
And yeah, I hope you have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Yeah, I have to be in a meeting later. Okay, anyways, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.